Welcome, beloved soul, to this sacred space of Calmify Meditations, a gentle healing meditation crafted for easing overthinking and inviting deep mind relaxation. Here, in this moment, you are held with infinite compassion, exactly as you are. Find your ease now, whether seated in quiet repose or reclined in soft surrender. Let your body nestle into support, spine lengthening like a willow in the breeze, shoulders melting away the day's whispers. Place one hand upon your heart, the other open to the sky, bridging your inner world to boundless peace. Soften your eyes closed, or let your gaze drift like mist over a tranquil pond. With tender invitation, draw in 3 slow breaths of renewal. Inhale the essence of calm through your nostrils, filling the quiet chambers of your being, and exhale softly, releasing threads of overthought like leaves carried on a gentle stream. Yes, beautifully done. Each breath roots you deeper into presence, a sanctuary where overthinking fades and mind relaxation blooms. Turn now to the soft rhythm of your breath, your ever-present guide in this healing meditation for overthinking. Observe its effortless dance, rising and falling, a whisper of life that needs no direction, only your kind attention. Should thoughts arise, like fleeting ripples on still water, greet them without grasp, without story. They are visitors, not residents. Let them drift, returning to the anchor of your inhale, your exhale. Breathe in now, drawing in waves of serenity, soothing the edges of overthinking. Exhale, letting go of loops and what-ifs, creating space for mind relaxation to unfold. In with ease, out with release. In with clarity, out with surrender. Breathe this cycle a few more times. In, serenity. Out, release. Feel your breath as a luminous thread, weaving calm through your awareness, dissolving the hum of mental busyness, one gentle wave at a time. With your mind softening, let us cradle your body in this healing embrace, releasing the subtle echoes of overthinking held in flesh and bone. Approach each part with the tenderness of dawn's first light. Begin at your crown, a warm glow descending, easing your scalp, smoothing your brow, inviting your eyes to rest in velvet quiet, your jaw to soften like dew-kissed petals. This light flows to your throat, your neck, untying quiet knots, over your shoulders where burdens dissolve into mist, arms heavy with grace, elbows, wrists, fingers extending like branches in repose. Into your heart's garden, breathe expansion, ribs yielding softly, back yielding to Earth's embrace. Warmth gathers in your core, belly softening, any hidden flutters of thought easing into stillness. Downward now, hips releasing, legs lengthening, knees, calves, feet grounding into the cradle of now. Your whole form bathed in relaxation, a vessel for mind's gentle repose. In this wholeness, overthinking's grip loosens, making way for profound mind relaxation. Nestled in this peace, envision a luminous lake within, mirror still under a canopy of stars, the heart of our healing meditation for overthinking. This is your inner haven where mind relaxation flows eternal. You stand at its edge, bare feet on silken earth, air scented with lavender dreams. In your palms, a crystal orb pulses with amethyst light, healer of racing thoughts. As you peer into the waters, see overthinking's forms emerge, tiny boats of worry, sails of doubt. With love, cup them into your orb's glow, watch them transmute, sparkling into ether, sinking softly, released forever. Breathe and release one more vessel. See it sparkle away. Wade in now, waters lapping your ankles, cool mercy rising to knees, hips, enveloping your heart in healing tides. It cleanses mental storms, a balm for overthinking, whispering lullabies of mind relaxation. Deeper, to shoulders, crown, until you float weightless, cradled in liquid light. Here affirm in breath's hush, I am the quiet beneath the waves. Thoughts pass, peace remains. Let this truth echo or simply feel its bloom. The lake mirrors your serenity, overthinking dissolved, mind relaxed in infinite grace. Lingering in this glow, let affirmations root like ancient trees. I am vast as the sky, thoughts but clouds adrift. Healing meditation honors my stillness. Overthinking yields to mind relaxation's call. With each inhale, gather this essence into your core. Exhale it outward, a shield of calm for your days. Carry this lake's whisper whenever the mind stirs. As our time softens to close, stir gently, fingers and toes awakening with joy, breath deepening into vitality. When ready, unveil your eyes or lift your gaze, this peace your companion onward. Gratitude flows for joining this healing meditation at Calmify. May overthinking quiet and mind relaxation linger. Like, subscribe, share this calm. Until next breath, be gentle with your light. Namaste.